Okay, let me show you something. Let's say that you've got an integer. Okay, let's say that you have an integer which is a equals 1. Let's say that you want to change this into a string. What you do is call the function str and put inside the parentheses the variable name, and boom. What this does, it returns the let's say the value of a like a string. So let's say that you want to print a string here. Okay, let's say that you want to print the value of a. Print the value of a. If you go here and do addition and you put a here, it will tell you that you cannot concatenate string with an integer. So what you do here is do string a, so you change a into a string, and boom, you concatenated two strings so the print can work. Another way to print stuff like that is what I've called, I don't know, you actually put the keyword def before the string, you do a print, the value of a, and here you use this, I don't know how they're called, curly braces, and you put the value of a here, and you don't need to turn it into a string. It does that automatically. So it's equivalent, but you need to use the value of f here, so you can use this notation inside the print. You can also get input from a user by inputting the value input. So the function input allows you to get some input from the keyboard of the user and store it into a function. So let's say that we run this code, okay, and we specify a string that we want the user to see. So if we run this, we get to see hello, input your name. So I will input my name as Aero, and boom, if you print the value of a, it will be the input that we've given, which is Aero. So this is how you do input in Python. Very, very simple. You can also get input from files like CSV and other stuff, but this is something that we're going to cover on the advanced course. This is how you can do outputs in Python with all the print messages that we've seen, like before. And yeah, that's pretty much it.